Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of this brand new arrived 2025 Mastercraft X24. This is pretty cool. It's got the new color. It's called magnetic blue. We did it in metal flake with the stealth gray. Unbelievable new color. Really pops. Awesome. And then with the Z8 tower, we got the magnetic blue inlay, also with the BTOS windshield, so it all matches with the new magnetic blue. All right, coming around the back of the boat. Swim step. It's super cool to get in inside of the boat. Use it now. Also for 2025, this boat we do have the RGB underwater lighting and the underwater exhaust. So follow me on in here. So climbing on in, we got the walkthrough. Stepping right on down in, going to the bow of this boat. We did the gray with the magnetic blue interior. X24. We got the fold down armrest. Big huge bow. Advanced audio, so you got the subwoofer in the bow, the six total speakers in the boat with, on the Z8 tower, the two cliff speakers up on the tower. Rear convertible flip seat, backrest flip seats on both sides for watching everybody in the back. Phone holders, all cool feel interior, observer display screen, nice, and the dash over here. And now for 2025, the new dash, dual screen. Got the big dual screen with the rotary control. Everything can be controlled here. Wireless phone charger. Everything sleek windshield. Low profile dash. Built-in speakers in the dash on both sides. Really cool for 2025. And the new seat. Very comfortable sports profile seat. Super comfortable to sit in, breathes through your back. Really cool for 2025. Super excited about this. So come and check out this Mastercraft X24 with the 6.2 430 horsepower engine, 4,600 pounds of ballast. Unbelievable boat. Decadence flooring. Come on out, check it out with the new screens. It'll be on our website and at the store, or you call us 864-236-9005.